This brand is available in the USA and Canada, offering DIY models as well as models that are installed by contractors. The DIY E-Star 4th generation units are quite simply the best mini split units for anyone that wants to do the installation themselves. While many brands will sell to the consumer but their warranty requires installation by a licensed contractor, Mr. Cool offers heat pumps that are specifically designed to be installed by homeowners. They feature patented easy DIY installation as well as a DIY Pro cable that eliminates the need to run electrical conduit. The units feature state-of-the-art technology in the indoor units with control by smartphone app as well as through Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The units feature refrigerant leak detection as well as a Follow Me remote that senses the room temperature. The multi-zone models can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit and have a 20 SEER efficiency. The brand is backed by an industry-leading warranty even when the units are installed by a homeowner, and they are available on Amazon.